I just want to say thank you to everyone who's been here today. It is my 40th birthday. Happy birthday, Edwin! Yay! You know, I feel so happy that most of my friends are here supporting me. It's been a very good day. I feel so much blessed. This is one of the best moments in my life. I have had moments that have been happy, but today has been something that I feel has been an extremely happy day. I want to say to all the people who were not able to make it here that I understand so much. Most of the people are happy, and that is very understandable. And to all my friends who are here with me, I want to say thank you. Thank you very much.
I'll sing it, all right? 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday to you. Here you go. Come on, let me hear you. Happy birthday to you. Oh, y'all sound real good. A little louder. Thank you for joining us. Let's have a good time.
I just want to thank you for your showing up on my husband's 40th birthday. We thank God for his day, and I just want to thank you guys for showing up. I wish him a happy birthday, a long life. May God bless you all.
Happy birthday, Daddy. Thank you for taking my family to the pool. I hope you have a good life. Having a good time together. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Jessica. Today's my dad's birthday, Edwin. I wish him good luck and I love him.
special for you. Give thanks and praises to Almighty One, because it's not easy to add one more year, my dear. Oh, let me know, how old are you now? Kukulandika omweku kupitiliza inu kutikona ife. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday. Special dedication, I sing for you, those who are celebrating your birthday today. Wherever you are, enjoy your birthday, have a nice day. I man say happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday. One come with the food, another one with the drink. One over here, one over here. Come together to make it fun on your birthday party. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, alright, I wish you happy, happy birthday. I wish you.
I give myself away. I give myself away so you can use me. I give myself away. I give myself away so you can. Come on, let him know. I give myself. I give myself away so you can use me. I give myself away. What would happen if a generation embraced this? Come on, tell them, here I am, here I am.